Hi there. In this video, we're going to talk about some key terms of the theory of change. Thank you. Now, let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to refresh your mind on the definition of theory of change, and then we're going to go into the terms. The first thing that I want to remind you of is that theory of change is a framework, a useful tool. Let's put that up for them. A useful tool for creating, implementing, and evaluating a planned change. That's me right there. Okay, the first key term you need to remember when you're working on your theory of change is what's called activities. Well, the activities are the programs that you deliver. That could be in the way of workshops that you deliver. It could be in the way of counseling that you deliver. It could be in the way of any kind of activities or project that you are delivering. Actually, any project you're delivering is referred to as activities. That could be maybe the visits you make to certain beneficiaries, whatever it is, it's activities. The second term you need to be familiar with is beneficiaries. And I think a lot of people know this. This is the group of the people you believe you can and want to help. The group of people that you are actually delivering your activities to or delivering your activities for, that group is called beneficiaries. Impact is the next one. Now, impact is the accumulated changes of your activities and those of others that are experienced by your beneficiaries. So when we talk about impact, we're looking at a particular group of beneficiaries that you're already delivering activities for. But when you want to look at the impact that those activities have had in the lives of those beneficiaries, impact actually means you've got to consider all other activities that that group of beneficiaries have experienced as well before you title that as impact. Let me give an example of what I'm talking about. If you are delivering start your own business workshops to youth, and those youths are also experiencing or attending a confidence building workshop that's delivered by another organization. Well, the impact that you have had in the lives of those young people has to include some of the confidence building skills that they've developed through attending the other organizations' activities as well. That's what impact is. Impact is not about your own effect only, but it includes the effect that other organizations have had on the same group of beneficiaries. At least that's the definition that I want us to remember. The next definition is outputs. What are outputs? Well, outputs are results from activities. They include things like the number of activities delivered last month or last year, the number of people who attended is really always almost numeric. Now, the next term is outcomes. Remember, I mentioned outcomes when I talked about impact. Outcomes are the changes or the change experienced by your beneficiaries as a result of your activities. So let's say that they became healthier, or they lost weight, or they got a job, or they entered into a new profession. Well, those are the outcomes that your beneficiaries experience as a result of the activities that you delivered to them. The next term to remember is stakeholders. Stakeholders. When we talk about stakeholders, sometimes we only refer to one group. Well, no, actually, there could be many stakeholders. For example, stakeholders are those people who are affected by the existence of your organization. Your staff are your stakeholders. The funders are your stakeholders. The beneficiaries are your stakeholders. And many times also the volunteers are your stakeholders as well. Okay. If you want more information, you can book for your 15 minutes free session. Do book it now whilst it's still available, and we would like to help you to understand a little bit more about the theory of change and other consultancy packages that we offer. Now, thank you so much for listening to this. Remember that we've produced quite a few videos now on theory of change, so do watch those. And if you have any comments, do put it in the comment box below. By the way, which of the terms do you remember? Put it in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon.